All right, MC with Tech, and here's the video. Today we're going to do an unboxing and review on the JBL Live Free 2 ANCs. So with that, you get adaptive noise cancellation, perfect calls, and wireless charging from the case. So with the JBLs, you're going to get 35 hours of battery time, 7 hours with the buds, and 28 hours with the case. You're also going to get multi-point connection, so you can connect with two devices at the same time with the buds. You're going to get Bluetooth 5.2 with these earbuds. You're going to get the sound signature from JBL. You're going to also get adaptive noise cancellation with 4 mics with smart ambient mode. We're going to put all this to the test. I'm going to pull out my Samsung Galaxy Bud Pro 2s out and see how they compare to this. They are in a different price range, but I want to see how they pair up to a more expensive set of earbuds. You're going to get perfect calls with 6 mics for voice aware. So you're going to get that 6 mics for the voice aware, and you're going to get water resistant with comfort, secure fit. So we're going to put all that to the test. Plus, with 15 minutes of charge, it's going to give you 4 hours of listening time. ANC on, you're going to get 6 hours. So let's do the unboxing. So let's get these unboxed. All right here. And we're going to get these out of the box. So let's take a look at the buds. So right here, if you look in it, you get a little window you can see through. You can actually look at the buds. So let's get these unboxed. So give me time. But we're going to pull these out of the box. Oh, hold on. It's got to be difficult. There you go. There's one on each side. So there's 3 little slots. You're going to have to use your unboxing knife to get that done. Then you can pull these babies out. So we're going to pull them out. We're going to look at there. It's always something. We're going to pull them out. Oh, we got another little right here. Man, they make sure these are securely in the box. So let's pull the tab out. This is the carrying case that you'll have. There's the carrying case. It is empty. And then you're going to have the manual. So you're going to get your quick start guide and your manual, books and stuff. We're going to toss that to the side. And then we're going to have your earbuds. Get them out of the case. Everything's giving me a problem this morning, so don't worry about it. We're going to get these out. These are the earbuds. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop these out. We're going to get these put into the case real quick. And so these come with 3 different size ear tips. So with the 3 different size of ear tips, you're going to get the medium that's on there. You're going to get the large, and you're going to get the smalls. So with that being said, these are the earbuds, putting them in the case. We're going to close the case. Has 2 bars on the case, as you can see, for charge. And what we're going to do is we're going to see what else they have in the box. So let's see what else they have in the box. Like I said, you're going to get your ear tips, and then you're going to get a charging cable. So now the charging cable is little. This is a type A to C charging cable. Right here, you're going to get your type C charging connection on the back of the case. You're going to get your LED lights on the front to know that it is charging. So now that I have everything put away, got my S23 Ultra out, we're going to go over the aspect of setting these earbuds up. I already have a JBL app already set up because I already have some JBL headphones. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go into the app. And so I'm going to have to open these up, take the earbuds out. So now that we're into the app, you can look, you're going to get a picture of your earbuds. You're going to get the battery percentage on the earbuds and an image of the case. You're going to get set up your headphones. So we're going to tap into that. And what you can do is you can go through and you can do your test fittings on this. And you can do the test fittings on your earbuds. You can do an ear canal test. You can do a voice assistant setup. And you can do product tips. So we're all set on that. And what we're going to do is we're going to go back out. You're going to have ambient sound controls. So with the ambient sound control, that's active noise cancellation, that's ambient aware, and that is talk through. And so you're going to have all that into the features of the phone, and you're going to get a voice prompt with that. So then you're going to have your EQ. So you can set up your EQs. And so with your EQs, you're going to have jazz, vocal, bass, club, studio, and your JBL Tune EQ. So you also, just like with the previous pair of JBLs I showed you, you click on the settings button and you're going to be able to customize the EQ bands. And that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 band EQ setup that you can have. So we're going to cancel that. We're going to go back out. And we're going to go back one more, and then you're going to have your adjusters. So you can set your adjusters for these earphones. And so we're going to go into the adjusters. And so with that saying, you can customize your adjusters. You're going to have one tap for active noise cancellation and ambient aware right out the box. But you can set this up and customize them to how you like and what preference you like. And so you can do a double tap for talk through. You can do a tap and hold for your active native voice assistant. And I'm telling you, just like in the JBL Tune 230 NCs, you're going to like that Google, because Google is the voice assistant. You're going to like that. I'm going to tell you, you're going to love it. And so I haven't had a chance to play with these, but I'm going to give a chance to play with them and show you how to do it. And then you can do call controls with double tap and tap and hold. And those are some of the adjusters that you can do. One caveat about it is that once you set some of this stuff up, it's either one or the other. You're not going to be able to use the full function of having it set up like that. So you're going to have your voice aware. You can toggle that on. You can have that on high, medium, or low. So you're also going to have smart audio. With smart audio, you have your audio mode, and you're going to have your video mode. You can toggle that off, or you can toggle that on. It takes a second to load, but I just wanted to show you on camera how you can toggle it off and on. But that is a great feature for when you're listening to video games or you're watching YouTube or some type of video. So it is a great option for you having. And I use it when I'm doing videos, or I just want to watch YouTube and see it, and the latency is pretty much not there. So it is a great feature. You can do your audio play and pause. So you can have this audio play and pause. You can have your voice assisted. And like I said, you can go into that. You can have this set up, and Google can be your native assist. So I suggest Google over the Alexa or any other one. Google is outstanding on these headphones and in this JBL system. Then you're going to have your voice prompts. You can do voice prompts. You got to set up to English. And that's because we are in America, so that's what you want to have it done. Now, let me see the other languages. So we're going to tap in here. You're going to get many, many, many other languages that you can have this voice prompt. So like I said, don't be afraid to use the voice prompt in your native language. And we're going to go back out. And then you're going to have check for best fit. You can test that out, do the test for best fit. You're going to have Find My Buds. But on my Find My Buds, all it's going to do is when you lose a bud, it's going to give you a beeping sound that's going to let you know where these buds are and where they're located. It's not like a tile type where you can leave these somewhere and it's going to find them no matter where your earbuds are, as long as it has power. And then you can have your power saving mode, so you can click and you can have power saving on for standby, power saving off. And like I said, it's going to give you a lot of great features within the app, and you're going to get that JBL support. You can click in here, set up your headphones, quick guide, frequently asked questions, reset the factory, and you can do software updates. So let's check for a software update. Let's see if there is an update, and these do. So we're going to do that off camera, and I'm going to get back with you. Okay, so now that I have the software up to date, everything is updated, and everything is going and working perfectly, I am going to go into the aspect of listening to some music, and I'm going to tell you how they sound. So I'm going to slide this box out the way in the case, and what we're going to do is we're going to go to YouTube Music. Let's find something to listen to. I'm going to listen to some hip-hop genre, and I'm also going to listen to some R&B. So let's go back and let's go into a shuffle play. First song, let's see how these sound. Gotta wait for that bass to kick in. We're gonna turn it up a little bit. Okay, sound good, nice highs. So, let's pause it. Let me go back out. What I want to do is go into the JBL app. Let's go back into the JBL app, and I want to go back. What I'll do is I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to go to setting these up for, like I said, for the EQ, and I want to put mine on bass. So I want to toggle mine on, and I want to hear how the bass sounds in these earbuds, because I've heard the bass is nice. So we're going to go back out here, and once again, we're going to toggle back on the music, and we're going to just see how the bass sounds. All right. The bass is nice on these. Let me pause this. Okay. I got to go back. So let me tell you something. The bass really hits in these. I'm telling you, the bass hits in these. The bass hits in these. Oh my damn, the bass hits in these. So let's see how it kicks in. We're going to also turn it down just a little bit. I don't want to be yelling, but let me tell you something. The bass really did drop in these. Okay, now the music started to kick in. Yeah. Okay. Business cause I'm stuck like glue. Man, love this song. Let me tell you how the bass is finna thump in these. Okay, it's finna kick in. There we go. We're gonna get a couple notches. Yeah. You gonna love these. The bass hits in these. The bass hits. And everything is clear. There ain't no shaking, ain't no muddiness in the bass. The bass hits nice in these. Let's go to another song. So the bass hits nice in these. We're gonna go to another song. So, let's go to some R&B. Okay, so we're gonna go to some R&B because I love my R&B music too. So we're gonna go to my little slow jams, and we're gonna see where they take me to, and we're gonna shuffle play. Okay. Okay. Oh man. When I'm saying they hit, they hit. The motherfuckers hit. I'm trying to tell you, you're going to love these as far as when it comes to that bass and how that music hit. Man, the JBL live freeze, whatever they call, they are nice. The bass hits in these. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how that multi-point pairing works. Okay. So now that I got the multi-point connection set up on both devices, we're going to play one. And it's playing. So now we're going to hit play on the next one. And now this is playing. So they're both playing, as you can see on camera. They're both plain. I love how it sounds. I think this is a must buy right here. Just from right now, from what I'm testing out, this is a must buy. So let's pause it. Matter of fact, let's click back into this one. See? And that's your multi-point playing. Pause. Play. You're going to love it. Multi-point connection. So, all right. So before we pull out the Galaxy Buds Pro 2s, I am going to show you that this is a wireless charging case. We're going to take these. We're going to slide the buds back into the case. Case is a little slippery. I'm going to be straight up for real with you, but I'm not concerned with that. Now, if you're concerned with your case being a little slippery, put your case cover on it. Me, I'm not concerned with it. So we're going to throw these back in. And like I said, you can see the LED lights. And so what we're going to do is we're going to set them on. And so right now, as you can see, the light is green, red, but they're charging. The lights on the front of the LED, they are flashing. So I can't really show you that on camera. Hold on, let me show you. They are flashing. So as you can see, the lights are flashing and the case is charging. So the wireless charging works good on here. There is no complaints from me about it, as long as they work and they work good. So you have wireless charges with charging with the case. Okay, now I'm going to turn around and I'm going to pull out the Galaxy Buds. So as you can see, let me get my device back on. And so what we're going to do, we're going to connect the Galaxy Buds. So as you can see, I'm putting them in my ear. And they're connected. Make sure they're in good. And to show you that they're connected, we're going to go back out here. We're going to go down to the Bluetooth. And you can see that I'm connected to my Galaxy Bud 2 Pros. So I'm done with that. Let's go back out. Let's go back to the music. And I want to see how these sound and see which one I like better. So this is where we're at level-wise when it comes to it. We're about 82%. They sound good. I love how these sound. So we're going to get them all the way up to 122. And they sound good. But they're not hitting bass-wise like the JBLs. That's all the way up. Phenomenal sound. Okay, so what we're going to go and do, we're going to go into, I want to bring the bass up. I'm going to go into the Samsung app. And I want to bring up either dynamic or bass to see how the bass sounds on the Samsung app. So we're going to go into the Samsung app and see where it's at. So we're going to the Samsung wearable, see where the buds are at as far as the app and see how the bass is on it. So we have the active noise cancellation on, and let's go into the settings, and we're on bass boost. And so let's go back out, and let's go back to the music, and here we go. And with everything up, the bass does sound nice. On the Galaxy Buds, it sound good. But the bass does not hit, as far as I'm concerned, as deep as so far as the bass on the JBL Lives. So as I get ready to conclude this video, I'm going to tell you the JBL Live Free 2s, man, when you talk about nice bass on a pair of earbuds, these have it. These are the truth when it comes to that bass. So all my bass heads, if you really love bass in your earbuds, go buy the JBL Live. Go buy the JBL Free Live 2s. You're going to love that. And so with that being said, I don't think they're as better as music quality as far as the Galaxy Buds. Even though I'm a Galaxy Samsung soldier, I still say if you still want a pair of good earbuds without costing you $300 or $400, go buy these JBLs. You're going to be very impressed with them. This is MC with Tech. This is the video. Hit like and subscribe. Hit like and subscribe. Let's get the channel going. Hit like and subscribe.